Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2020 F-150 LARIAT in magnetic. It has black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. It has a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine. It's a 4x4. It also has the technology package, which includes the 360 split view camera. It has an FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, the Max Trailer Tow package, as well as the Sport package, which gives you the sport bucket seats, as well as the center console. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. You also have memory for 3 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your electronic parking brake is located here. The power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, power tilt and telescoping steering wheel, and with the power deployed running boards and grab handle, it's easy to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control with adaptive cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. Now this is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start stop button. On the dash, any important messages will appear, and as well, you have a menu that you can toggle through. My View, Trip Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, Settings, and these all have sub-menus. Up above, you're seeing a little bin and your B&O badging for your audio system. Hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, and there's your 360 split view camera. You just touch on that, and you'll see it display on the screen. And then auto stop start for less idle time. I'm going to push that a couple more times there to get us back around. There we go. And then on the screen we can touch and our menu will come up, and it's just taking a second here just to show you down below. There you go. So when we go to our little house here, we can go in and it's loading the map because we have navigation on here. And as well, I'm just going to go into the audio sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. We have our climate, and you're going to see that you have dual climate control for both driver and passenger, as well as your rear defrost and your AC. And we can also, when we put the vehicle in reverse, see our backup camera view. And there you go. And then we can go into settings and slide through for different options, things like automatic updates, Wi-Fi, Ford Pass Connect, and so forth. And so there's your volume and tuner for your media. There's the dual climate control, so you can control it on the screen or down here. You also have heated and cooled seats for both passenger and driver. There's your fan in the center, AC and max AC, and your front and rear defrost. In the cubby there, you're seeing a couple USB outlets. You just press in the center, it'll close right up. And then you have your 4x4 with locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. And you have an automatic select shifter. There's drive mode. When we press on this, it'll appear on our dash, normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. And then we also have our lane keeping as well as our park assist, a couple of cup holders, and there's rings at the bottom there. That's the light for the ambient lighting. Your armrest is quite generous. You can open it up. You've got a little bin. You can take that out. There's a 12 volt down there, plus lots of room to put things. And then you can just close it right up. There's a 12 volt and a 110, and you have your locking glove compartment off to the side. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener. There's your lighting controls and sunglass holder, and you also have a power sliding window in the rear, and that's what that's for. And then you have this nice twin panel moonroof, so you can press the button, power it across. And the other nice thing about it is that you also have the ability to power across the screen, so you can control light and air. And today we have beautiful blue skies, and in the body there's a grab handle, and that just makes it easier to get in. 20-inch wheels, power deployed running boards, body color door handle with intelligent access, meaning that when the fob's in close proximity you can lock and unlock the doors. And you also have keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The body colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Just below the handle is your backup camera. You also have backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you're ready to open up that tailgate, you can do so by double clicking your fob. It powers it down for you, and there's nice tie downs in each corner as well as box link, and there's also a tailgate step, and that just makes it easier to get in. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start and speaker in the door as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You simply pull the tab and the seat will release and go up for you, giving you more room on the floor. And then pull the tab again, it'll bring it right down. You have access to the hooks there to be able to tether baby seats, the armrest with a couple of cup holders. On the floor you have carpeted mats, slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center there's a couple of cup holders, 12 volt, 110 and USB outlets, air vents on each side, and you're seeing those little red seats. Those are the power buttons for the heated seats back here. There's a grab handle in the body, hooks and lighting, and that panoramic view up above. In the back, a power sliding window as well as rear defrost. Body colored bumper, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, auto high beams, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.